Guess what, guys? I just filmed this whole video and realized I clicked time lapse instead of video. So I'm gonna teach this song all over again. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. Start of nothing, had no chance to prepare, couldn't see you coming. Started with nothing, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now. We both feel it deep down, feeling still deep down is good. So, it's gonna start with a C major 7. So, pretty much a C chord, right? But you lift up your index finger, play that open B. And you're gonna kind of want to mute this top string with your thumb, just by lightly touching it right there. So, there's only 3 chords for how I'm gonna teach you, right? This is the beginner way. If y'all want the full song, I'm not the kind of guy to ask for likes and stuff or subscribe, whatever. I don't do that. That's lame. But y'all could just drop maybe a couple comments. If I see some people really want it, I'll do it for you. So, now to a D minor. Middle finger is gonna come on the 2nd fret on the G. Ring finger on the B, 3rd fret, index on the high E. And you're just hitting that D. I mean, you can hit these too. So, now, 3rd and final chord you need to know, A minor. So, this finger and this finger are just both gonna come up a string. So now this one's on the B, this one's on the D. This finger is going to come to the 2nd fret on the G. Then back to the D minor. Thought that I was dreaming, you said you loved me. Start of nothing, chance to prepare, couldn't see you coming. Started from nothing, I could hate you. Alright, let me stop. I'm gonna play a little slow for my beginners. You can do it. I believe in you. If it's your first couple months playing guitar, it's gonna be hard, bro. Them fingers is gonna hurt, but you're gonna build calluses. You're gonna build strength, physical and mental. You can do it, bro. I promise you. Last words to say to y'all. All the people who watch my videos, Sammy boy, I see you commenting on a lot of stuff. Love you. My boy Spencer, love you, bro. Lucas, love you. I love you guys. Thanks.